giant industrial machines running at peak efficiency. Every detail, every part working perfectly. These powerful devices are more than just tools, they are sophisticated machines, designed to work tirelessly, tackling the most difficult tasks. Have you ever wondered how they can operate so smoothly without a single flaw? The John Deere 959M Feller Buncher was the best-selling model in 2020, with sales reaching 200,000 units. Equipped with a 30-inch disc saw with a cutting force of up to 150,000 psi, the boom arm can reach heights of up to 39 feet, allowing the machine to harvest trees in various positions. The clamping jaws have a gripping force of up to 28,000 pounds, helping to hold trees while the machine operates securely. With a four-wheel drive transmission system and a sturdy chassis, the machine can easily navigate steep terrain and vertical walls. This impressive harvesting capability makes the John Deere 959M Feller Buncher the ideal choice for large-scale logging operations, where efficiency and productivity are critical factors. The extraordinary power comes from the chain drive system, large disc saw, strong cutting force, sturdy wood clamp, and long boom arm, making the TL755D Timber Pro stand out as the most efficient logging machine on the market. Superior efficiency is demonstrated through cutting and clamping speeds of up to 15 trees per minute, significantly increasing logging productivity. The average lifespan of John Deere 1470G and 1510G logging machines depends on various factors such as operating conditions, maintenance, and repairs. However, with proper maintenance and operation, the machine can operate efficiently for 10,000 to 15,000 hours. Operating conditions. On average, the John Deere 1470G can harvest 10 to 20 trees per hour. Equipped with saw blades made of wear-resistant steel, it can cut trees with a diameter of up to 91 cm. The machine can operate effectively for 10,000 to 15,000 hours. It can operate in various climatic conditions, from mild to cold climates. The expected price of the machine is $50,000. Machines have now become invaluable tools, especially for heavy-duty tasks. Comment number 1 if you agree. Do you know how much it costs to own this machine? This machine helps split logs of various diameters. Using a hydraulic splitting engine increases the splitting power by X5 compared to electric-powered machines. With a 3.2 turbo engine and impressive splitting capability, this machine helps finish the job quickly. CNC technology has brought a significant breakthrough in the woodworking industry. By utilizing CNC machines, manufacturers can create wooden products with higher precision and complexity than ever before. This technology allows for the fabrication of wooden doors, wall panels, furniture, and other wooden products quickly and accurately. Notably, the flexibility of CNC machines enables the creation of wooden doors with intricate patterns while ensuring accuracy and consistency throughout the production process. The COUP. The Growy log splitter has a splitting force ranging from 14 to 17 tons, powerful enough to split large wood pieces with a diameter of up to 60 cm and a length of up to 1 meter. The Growy log splitter has two splitting modes, horizontal and vertical. The horizontal mode is suitable for short and thick wood pieces, while the vertical mode is suitable for long and thin wood pieces. The Cornell 4817 MP CSC pump boasts powerful suction force and high flow rates, allowing for quick transfer of fertilizers. With a flow rate of up to 850 m/h, this pump facilitates fast and efficient fertilizer transfer, saving time. Featuring a 6-inch suction inlet and a 6-inch discharge outlet, the pump can easily handle liquid, slurry, and even small debris fertilizer. The Lagoon Crawler mud excavator is designed to agitate liquid manure in slurry ponds. This agitation helps prevent crusting and improves gas release, minimizing potential environmental risks and unpleasant odors. Optimizing pumping. Agitated manure becomes more uniform and more accessible for further processing or land application. Wheels and floating pontoons can accomplish the machine's movement. The Rastrollo 2-wheel plow, manufactured by Sergio Mitras, is creating a new wave in the agricultural industry, offering an efficient alternative to traditional plows. Compared to conventional plows, the Rastrollo excels in several aspects. It operates faster and can conquer any terrain while consuming less fuel and requiring less maintenance, reducing operating and maintenance costs. Environmental friendliness is an undeniable advantage of the Rastrollo. The machine minimizes soil erosion and improves soil structure and water retention capacity, increasing crop productivity and environmental protection. However, the cost of the Rastrollo is higher than that of traditional plows. Therefore, farmers must carefully consider their needs and financial capabilities before purchasing the machine. The turf cutting machine is a specialized equipment used for cutting and harvesting peat, a biofuel commonly used in Ireland and other countries. Peat is formed from thick layers of compacted peat moss, cut into small blocks, and dried as a burning fuel. The turf cutting machine moves across the ground, using blades to cut thin layers of peat. Subsequently, the peat is collected into trailers and transported to drying areas. The peat cutting industry faces challenges, including competition from other fuel sources, such as natural gas and coal, and environmental concerns. The wood is carefully stacked onto specialized trucks to ensure safety and minimize damage. The drivers maneuver the vehicles slowly, adhering to safety regulations and carefully monitoring the terrain. Navigating zigzag curves requires flexibility and precise control to avoid tipping over or dropping the wood. Clear and level logging, specializing in logging and wood transportation in challenging terrains, utilizes modern equipment and a highly experienced workforce. They are committed to safety and efficiency throughout the wood transportation process. This video shows clear and level logging, sophisticated wood transportation technique, and professionalism. Oster asserts its position as a leading manufacturer and exporter of small-scale wood chippers in China. With a powerful 6.5 PEEP or 15 HP gasoline engine, Oster wood chippers deliver superior operational efficiency, meeting the demand for chipping small branches, twigs, and wood into wood chips. Its compact and flexible design allows Oster wood chippers to be easily moved and used in various locations, making them suitable for individual or household needs. The Ripping Pine LT70WS, with its powerful engine and high-quality saw blade, can rip large and complex timber with high precision. This machine can adjust the cut wood panel's thickness and width, producing wood products with different sizes and characteristics. Renowned for its lush green fields stretching far and wide, Galway boasts a precious grass resource, highly esteemed for its quality and diversity. Galway grass exhibits high adaptability to mild and moist climatic conditions, thriving well and providing abundant fodder for livestock. Playing a crucial role in the livestock industry, exports, and tourism, Galway grass significantly contributes to Ireland's economy and environment. The protection, research, and development of new grass varieties promise further to increase the value and substantial benefits of Galway grass. How do you feel about the abundance of machines in every field? Comment 1 if you enjoy these machines. John Deere 8530. The John Deere 8530 tractor features a John Deere PowerTech P SS 9.06 cylinder engine, delivering a maximum power output of 370 horsepower and a peak torque of 1500 Nm. Paired with the Lemken Variopol 9 plow, constructed from high-strength steel, it boasts high load-bearing capacity and excellent wear resistance. The plow is designed with 9 curved plowshares, effectively breaking up soil and creating a fine tilth. With a working width of up to 5 meters, it enables plowing large areas in a short time. The hydraulic depth adjustment system facilitates easy adjustment according to preferences. The Forest-Tech F724 forestry grinder is designed to handle challenging and solid materials such as wood, tree branches, brush, and even rocks. It is widely used in the forestry, agriculture, and construction industries to grind these materials into smaller pieces, facilitating faster processing and reuse. The machine has a rotor cutting blade with multiple sharp and sturdy teeth, capable of quickly and efficiently cutting and grinding hard materials. It can grind materials up to 10 inches in diameter, including wood, tree branches, brush, rocks, and other materials. The Beast Model 2460 XP is genuinely a powerful machine with impressive working efficiency. Equipped with a powerful diesel engine, the machine can quickly and efficiently process large organic materials. With a large 30-inch diameter and 60-inch width cutter mill, the machine can grind materials to ensure the final product achieves the desired size. The machine utilizes Bandit's patented sawtooth cutting blade to control the size of the wood chips from the first cut. This demonstrates the engine's sufficient power to maintain stable cutting force even with hard materials. The Mizar Baler, a powerful and robust scrap compactor manufactured by Mizar, an Italian company. The machine is designed to compact various types of scrap material, such as paper, plastic, metal, textiles, etc., into neat bales, saving warehouse space and facilitating transportation. With a compaction force of up to 50 tons, it can easily compact various hard scrap materials within minutes, saving time. Along with its great power, the machine has many safety features, such as collision warning, blade protection, and emergency escape systems.